If you guys are not getting a shopping cart trick to work and you put your information into Factor Trust, I do still tell people to try right away and try every day after you put your information into Factor Trust because you really don't know when it's going to happen. I've seen comments where people say, hey, it took a month for it to happen for me. Hey, it's been months. I've been trying, and it's finally working. I don't know how it's working, how it's taking so long for them to work for it to work for them. But I just tell people to wait the 5 days if you want, or just start trying right away. And definitely call Factor Trust to make sure that your information is in a system and it is correct, to make sure that you're putting the right information in. I told you guys previously, like when I had when I want to get the shopping cart trick to work for me, I personally called Factor Trust, and they had an address in it that was really, really old for me. Like I haven't been at that address for a long time. So even if you put your information into that form, that don't mean that that's the information that they have for you. They're not just going to automatically update your information. It's a credit bureau. It's a smaller credit bureau, you guys. So definitely call them and ask them what information, what address do you have. Make sure your date of birth and all that information is correct in their system. That way, when they do send your information out, when you put your information into the website, they have the right address and all that. Because what if you put in your current address now, but you went to a car dealership before, you did a payday loan before, you did some type of smaller, buy now, pay later kind of thing, and they have your information, but they have old information for you. Like they have an old address, they're going to be looking for you to put that old information in to get that trick to work. And you're putting in the new information. So definitely call them to make sure that they have the correct information for you so that you'll be able to get the